5G connectivity is one of the most expected features of a smartphone this year. Now I know most of us, or all of us, are eyeing for smartphones that are 5G ready and budget friendly. Now what I have here is the Lenovo's Moto G 5G Plus, a higher mid-range device that has a big battery, a large display, a quad camera setup, fast performance, and last but not least, it is 5G ready. Mabuhay Manila, this is Pope from ManilaShaker.com, and this is the 5 features why Moto G 5G Plus is a worthy upgrade. First is its design. Some of us do prefer a more simple and minimalistic looking phone. Now, if we look at the back, it has a squared camera shaped module with a quad camera setup. On the right of the camera module is a vertical dual flash, and underneath it is the specifications of the camera itself. The back is built from polycarbonate plastic that has a dot matrix and glossy finish, and it feels like it denies the visual perception of being a rounded square device. And the last thing you're not going to miss on the back is the traditional Motorola logo. At the bottom of the phone, we have the speaker grills, USB Type-C port, and the main microphone, and also the manufacturer text and recycling symbol. The second one is the display. The Moto G 5G Plus has a tall screen. It has a 6.7-inch CinemaVision Full HD Plus display with an IPS screen. The display is sharper with deeper blacks and punchier colors, which will make you feel like you are looking at an OLED display. High refresh rates are one of the most sought after features from a smartphone. The Moto G 5G Plus offers a 90Hz refresh rate along with that big display. Though not all the games in the market support high refresh rates display, but they're starting to get there. So having a high refresh rate display is surely a good upgrade. What's best is you can opt for the natural looking color for productivity or up to a saturated look just like the AMOLED panels. There's also a peak display mode that's just like the always on display in many phones. It has interactive notifications and shows quick information while the screen is off, but in order to see it, you have to tap the screen. The third is the unique camera setup. This device is equipped with 6 cameras, 4 in the back and 2 in the front. The quad camera in the back kinda looks like an iPhone, and on the front is a dual punch hole cutout. Its quad camera is equipped with a 48 megapixel f1.7 main cam, 8 megapixel 118 degrees ultra wide, 5 megapixel for its macro, and 2 megapixel for net depth. And for its selfie is a 16 megapixel selfie and an 8 megapixel for ultra wide. The camera gives out quality outputs. The 48 megapixel main cam on the back is very flexible. It can shoot up to 4K at 30 fps and 1080p at 60 fps, all with stabilization features. You can also shoot slow motion up to 120 fps from both the front and the back cameras. And not just that, you can also shoot Pro mode and has raw outputs on the main camera, ultra wide, main selfie, and even the ultra wide selfie. Like, how cool is that? Next are the ultra-fast CPU and the 5G ready connectivity. The Moto G 5G Plus is equipped with a Snapdragon 675 with a 7nm process. This chipset is one of the top-of-the-line CPUs that can be seen in a higher price range. It has 5G connectivity, which is one of the must-have features in a smartphone, especially this year. It has advanced AI and the Qualcomm Sensing Hub, which improves the environmental awareness of the device. This chipset offers performance more than enough for the device's price. Along with that chipset is 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage that is expandable up to 1TB via microSD. It can play games like PUBG Mobile or Call of Duty Mobile with no problems. And even League of Legends Wild Rift is ultra fast and smooth. And on top of all that is the in-demand features that are supported by a bigger battery. The Moto G5G Plus has no problem with speed as this phone is already capable of handling everything. Even fingerprint and face unlock features are fast and secure. The UI is clean, has no stutter at all, and there's plenty of room for background tasks. But apart from it, the Moto G5G Plus has extra features outside the stock Android 10.0 OS it comes with. There's a wide variety of convenient, handy customization, and gestures thanks to the dedicated Google Assistant button and gesture shortcuts. Not to mention, it has a rich, bass speaker perfect for listening in loudspeaker mode. But these features are worthless if you have a small battery capacity while these are running in the background. Thankfully, the large 5000 mAh battery that is equipped in the Moto G5G Plus can last up to 2 days without charging. It is the perfect combo for the 5G powered phone. If it comes to the point where you want to charge it, the 20 watts fast charging gives a full juice in just 2 hours. For the price of 16,995 pesos, diving into the capabilities of the Moto G5G Plus showed many positives. Not only is the 5G connectivity the cherry on top, but the display quality is also stunning. The user experience is handy, and the features on its camera will surely be a worthy upgrade. And that's the Moto G5G Plus. What are your thoughts about this device? Are the features mentioned a worthy upgrade for you? Let us know in the comment section below. That's it for now. Thank you guys for watching. Be sure to subscribe and make sure to hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our future contents. And also don't forget to visit manila.shaker.com for more tech news, reviews, and comparison of the latest device. Once again, this is Pope, and I'll see you on the next one. So hi guys, the Moto G5G Plus will have a price drop from 16,995 to 15,895 pesos on the Lazada birthday extension from April 4 to April 6 on the Lenovo Mobile Flagship Store. And also follow Lenovo Philippines on Facebook and Instagram to get updates about their latest products and promos that are available in authorized resellers nationwide. If you're curious and you want to own this device, click the link on the description box.